Today on PowerNation Daily, goats in a trailer being towed by a Lamborghini Murcielago. The newest Hyperloop will travel 760 miles per hour. Richard Petty is auctioning off some race cars and trophies. A biker high-fives a cop as he wheelies on by. And there's a new Jeep everyone's talking about, but it's not exactly a Jeep at all. Welcome to the show. This is PowerNation Daily.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by Factory 5 Racing, the world's leading manufacturer of build-it-yourself car kits.
What's up, guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Yeah, be sure to hit us up on Facebook, online. Let us know what you want to see. And if you have a picture of a cool hot rod, send that to us as well. Just kind of want to see it. So let's get with the show. We have a lot to talk about. Just when you think you've seen it all, and we've seen a lot of stuff here on PowerNation Daily, some guys decide, let's take it up a few notches and haul around some goats in their Lamborghini. It's not really an odd thing to see a Lamborghini, but it is an odd thing to see a Lamborghini with a trailer with goats in the back of it. YouTuber Joseph Crenetti from Australia posted a video, and there's really no explanation behind it, except I still have no explanation behind it. It's kind of cool though. Virgin Hyperloop 1 has released a prototype for the next possible mode of transportation. A levitating pod designed to travel at speeds up to 760 miles per hour through a Hyperloop connecting Dubai to Abu Dhabi. Are you going to be the first one on it? Because I'm not. The 87-mile trip is about 90 minutes by car. However, the Hyperloop can get you there in only 12 minutes. Each pod is designed to carry up to 10 passengers, which means the Hyperloop can transport up to 10,000 people per hour, both ways. The company should have 3 working Hyperloops by the year 2021, which is coming up pretty quick. So now I wonder if Elon Musk and the Boring Company is kind of worried that they might have some competition. Richard Petty is obviously an icon in not just NASCAR, but in auto racing altogether. Fans will have the chance to bid on some of the King's race cars and other memorabilia like trophies and race suits. Pretty cool stuff. Some cars on the block will be the 1992 Pontiac Grand Prix, which was his last race car that he drove professionally, the 1978 Monte Carlo, and the 1974 Dodge Charger that he drove to his 5th Daytona 500 win. That'd be a cool car to have. Petty's hoping the auction will bring in new, younger NASCAR fans and says that he has so much stuff from over the years that it's time to share a little bit and give it to some other people. The cars go up for auction in May and are expected to sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. You gonna buy one? This video makes me happy. It's a video of a biker and a cop, and it doesn't end the way that you would think. There's a pro wheelie cop out there somewhere in St. Louis, and the video surfaced on Facebook of the biker wheeling by the officer and reaching his foot out to give a high five to him. Pretty cool. I like that. Both the biker and the officer continue on their merry way. It's a cool video to see, especially if you're a rider. If you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast, Indian automaker Mahindra might have the answer for you. It's called the Roxor, and it is new. It's a diesel-powered Jeep CJ, basically, kinda, sorta. The catch is, it's not street legal though. Autoblog reports it's classified as an off-road recreational vehicle only, and it also only has a top speed of 45 miles per hour. It has a 2.5-liter turbocharged diesel under the hood. It's a 4-cylinder, making 62 horsepower and 144 pound-feet of torque. It's actually built here in America before you call it a ripoff of the Wrangler. Mahindra was actually licensed to build Jeeps, and it can be yours for $15,000, which is a lot cheaper than buying a Jeep or SUV or even UTV. But you can't drive it on the street. What do you think about it? Be honest, let us know. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. Stop by PowerNationTV.com as well and check out the latest in how-to. We'll see you guys down the road.